If you need a powerful and scalable cloud server, AWS EC2 is one of the most popular choices out there. And when you combine it with CloudRaptor, you can launch fully configured, production-ready servers without dealing with complex manual setup. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. Let's get started. First, a quick overview. Amazon Web Services EC2, also known as Elastic Compute Cloud, is a service that lets you launch virtual servers on demand and scale them based on your needs. It's widely used for high-performance applications, SaaS platforms, microservices architectures, and scalable web apps. With CloudRaptor, the entire setup becomes automated, including provisioning, security hardening, networking, and optimization. So instead of spending time configuring servers manually, you can focus on building and deploying your application. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Create AWS credentials. Start by logging into your AWS console. Once you're inside, go to IAM, then click on Users. Create a new user and make sure to enable programmatic access. Next, assign the necessary permissions. You can use something like EC2 Full Access or a custom policy depending on your setup. Once the user is created, you'll get two important credentials, your access key ID and your secret access key. Make sure to copy and store these securely. You'll need them in the next step. Step 2. Add AWS credentials in CloudRaptor. Now head over to your CloudRaptor dashboard. Go to Settings, then click on Credentials. Click Add Credentials and select AWS as your provider. Now enter your details. Give it a label, for example, Production AWS. Paste your access key ID and secret access key. Then choose your default region, something like US-East-1. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your credentials are now securely stored and ready to use. Step 3. Provision your EC2 server. Now it's time to launch your server. Go to the Servers section and click Create Server. Select AWS EC2 as your provider. Now configure your server. Choose a region based on your target audience. Select your instance type. Depending on your performance needs, you can choose General Purpose, Compute Optimized, or Memory Optimized options. Configure your storage and give your server a name. Then select the AWS credentials you added earlier. Once everything is set, click Launch Server. Now CloudRaptor takes over. It will automatically create your EC2 instance, configure networking and firewall rules, install the CloudRaptor agent, and optimize the server for deployment. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Once provisioning is complete, your server will appear as active in the dashboard. At this point, your EC2 instance is fully connected, secured, and ready for application deployment. And that's it! You've successfully connected AWS EC2 with CloudRaptor and launched your server. If you found this helpful, check the description for more step-by-step guides like this.